Uzbekistan pilaf recipe. Today, I am making the most delicious and tasty Uzbekistan pilaf. This pilaf is extremely flavorful and mouth-watering. First, wash 4 cups of short grain rice well and soak it in hot water for 1 hour. Julienne the carrots on the thicker side and chop 2 onions. One cup of raisins. Cut 1 kilogram of lamb shoulder into pieces. In a large pot, heat 1 cup of flaxseed oil. Add the lamb shoulder and fry until golden brown, about 10 minutes. Sprinkle in salt to taste. Add the chopped onions and cook for 5 minutes. Pour in 4 cups of hot water and let the meat cook until tender, about 25 minutes. When the meat is tender, add the carrots. And pour in 2 more cups of hot water. Cook for 5 minutes. Then, add the soaked rice, along with more salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and the raisins. Cover the pot and let the water cook down until nearly absorbed. Place 2 whole garlic heads and half a cup of cooked chickpeas on top of the rice. Cover with the lid and let it cook on very low heat for 40 minutes to steam gently. The mouth-watering Uzbekistan pilaf is now ready to serve. It is incredibly tasty and aromatic. I hope you like my recipe. Thanks for watching, and see you next week with another dish.